Welcome, today I'm with Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earphones and I will show you how you can open Equalizer of this earphones. So we have to be connected with Razer audio application. Of course you have to remove your earphones from the case to be connected with your phone and with the application. As you can see, here we are, and the Equalizer we can find in this place. We got three options. The default, we can use the treble boost or turn to the bass. So we got basically only three options, but you can try them, maybe it will improve your sound experience. So as you can see, that's how we can open and change modes in the Equalizer of Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.